If you're seeing the Epic Games bad gateway error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the launcher and start playing again. This error is usually caused by a temporary connection issue, a corrupted cache, a DNS problem, or even an Epic Games server outage. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing advanced tech skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the simplest fix is to restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it is fully shut down. You can right-click it on the taskbar and close it, or open Task Manager and end the Epic Games launcher process if it's still running in the background. Once it's fully closed, wait a few seconds and open it again. Sometimes the launcher just needs a fresh restart to reconnect properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the Epic Games web cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for launcher issues because cache data can become outdated or corrupted. To do this, first close Epic Games completely again. Then press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. This will open your local app data folder. From there, find the Epic Games launcher folder, open it, then open the save folder. Inside that folder, look for web cache and delete that folder. If you see multiple web cache folders, it's okay to remove them as well. After that, reopen Epic Games Launcher and check if the bad gateway error is gone. If you still get the same message, the next thing to try is flushing your DNS. DNS issues can stop the launcher from connecting properly to Epic's servers, which can trigger gateway errors. To do this, click the Start menu, type command prompt, and run it as administrator. In the command window, type asvconfig/flushdns and press enter. You should see a message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Once that's done, close command prompt and try launching Epic Games again. Now, if the launcher still won't open properly, check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the problem is not on your computer at all. It's on Epic's side. Open your browser and search for Epic Games status. If the status page shows an outage or maintenance issue, then the only fix is to wait until Epic resolves it. In that case, no amount of reinstalling or restarting will help until their servers are back online. Another thing that can interfere with the connection is a VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. Some VPNs can cause the launcher to detect a bad connection or block the route to the Epic servers. Disabling the VPN often solves the issue instantly. If none of that works, try running the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Right-click the launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to connect and update correctly. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference, especially if Windows security settings are interfering with the launcher. And if the error still keeps coming back, the last step is to repair or reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, find Epic Games Launcher, and choose Repair if that option is available. If Repair isn't available or doesn't work, uninstall the launcher and download the latest version from Epic Games' official website. A fresh installation can fix damaged files and restore normal access. So to recap, the main fixes are restart the launcher, clear the web cache, flush DNS, check the Epic Games server status, disable VPN, run as administrator, and repair or reinstall the launcher if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the bad gateway error and get you back online quickly. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.